carry with you. If not, it's like completely optional. And then once you do so, you can make your way down to the hall, and you'll see elevators.
Hobby, photography.
Okay.
Yeah, so just obvious bodyguard.
There's lots of nice stuff upstairs, especially.
Believe it or not, you can get 60 on the side.
Wow.
Yeah.
You said both sides are over here. One side. No,
If you come next week on Monday to Thursday between 9 a.m. roughly and 6 p.m., you'll see the house in session. This is the desk for the Sergeant at Arms. He's the Chief of Security. So if you guys notice the peace officers, the security officers throughout the building, essentially that is the class there. You guys see the mace on the table? Yeah.
So it's Parliament for Ontario, it's the Legislative Assembly of Ontario. Yeah, they come here and they sit here. So the government sits here, the opposition sits here, and they debate.
So how the public can get it, like come here for the facility?
So you can come on days with some carvings, some paintings are a little bit of a Roman influence. Yeah. Up there, yeah, sure. How have you crafted that?
Yeah. But yes, yeah, just start with one off. So this is Ontario, and you go Canada. So a lot of people put sheep outside on the front of the lawn. So legislative stuff right in the front over there. And then you want to have a permanent piece here. That's true. I mean, I said we did.
That's a mirror.
I think there was a cry like several years ago.
That's the mirror.
They should pay like a gazillion billions money to them. But they haven't said. They haven't said sorry. I mean, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam, Singapore too. No, one day almost half a million they kill themselves. Long night, like a thing called salt. Like this. And then Japan really is like a step almost across the whole country of China. And then like my mother was born like was born right before that. During that time, and then Japan like passed along to my mom's hometown, and at that time, my basically they took everything away, like they kill whatever they can see. And then my grandma passed the village, and then everyone.
Downstairs.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
It's just that some off, and I'm like, first of all, when you see your kid, when you see your money for her,
I thought he's. I don't trust you guys.